Morning. Well, good morning, Henry.
Yeah, good morning.
You alright?
Yeah, I just ate.
We've got a bit of hay fever going on, don't we, still?
Yeah.
Oh dear. Well, anyway, good morning, everyone. Day 4 of Disneyland Paris, as you can see, in the glorious sunshine.
Last day.
Last day. We're going home today, but not before we've done a couple of rides. We've got a train at 8 o'clock in the evening, so we've got time enough.
Yep.
So the plan of today, we woke up at 9 because I didn't put an alarm on. Checked out at 10 because I already packed, so that was easy. We had a little Starbucks and some donuts, and we've just gone through security. We're in Disney Village here. Hello, hello, hello. I have to talk over the music. And the plan of today now is to see what the wait times are for Crush Coaster, and Henry also wants to do RC Racer. So we'll start with that, and then see what the plan is after that. It's actually really warm today, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Gosh, it's really good. I love it. We are in the park, and we've got a Premier Access for Crush Coaster. It was a 60-minute wait. We're not going to do that in the sunshine. Oh, bless you. Again, it's a very snotty boy today. Let's go and have a look at the RC races as well, what the wait time is there, huh? Cool beans. Wow.
Look how pretty it is.
I am always amazed when I come in here. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it is very true. Look how beautiful it is.
It's so beautiful. It's always hard to take in, and it's always a bit sad to take in as well when you're on your last day. We will come back again.
Oh,
Spider-Man's coming. Hi, Spider-Man. Oh, he's a show-off, isn't he, that one? There he is.
Good morning, recruits. Welcome to Avengers Campus. I am Friday.
We're sitting in Avengers Campus at the moment, just chilling a bit. It's the last day, we're tired. We just did Crush Coaster, which is lovely. Henry's just gone to take a picture of Ghostbuster in Star Factory. And we've just seen Iron Man and we've seen Spider-Man. And I'm kind of hoping that we'll bump into Loki still, because that's my favourite. We didn't see him yesterday, unfortunately. So hopefully today, we'll see. We'll see how he goes.
That's a cool car.
I know, right?
That's an
Right.
Hi.
Hello.
We just did Flight Force. It was a walk-on.
Yeah, we waited a bit. We were just chilling in Avengers Campus, and then once of a sudden, because Flight Force was down, it went back up, and we were like, oh yeah,
Yep.
let's
And
do
we
this.
sat at the front.
And we sat at the front.
Just to tell you, the front is way worse than the back.
It's intense. So now the plan is to go to the other park,
Do Space Mountain.
hopefully do Space Mountain, potentially single rider it,
And maybe get a snack.
get a snack, yes. Oh, Ariel is dancing again.
Again?
So we'll have to say bye-bye to,
My favorite part.
we'll have to say goodbye to the park. Bye-bye Walt Disney Studio.
Bye-bye Hollywood Tower.
Bye-bye Hollywood Tower Hotel. You were so lovely. We're gonna miss it again.
We're back in 15 weeks.
Did you just make an announcement on the YouTube?
What? So,
Yeah, no, wait. We're gonna wait.
that was a bit of a teaser.
It was a bit of a teaser. We will make a big announcement at the end of this vlog.
Yeah.
Shall we do that?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to make a big announcement at the end of this vlog. Promise. Well, YouTubes, we have achieved the Granary again. If you've been following our our vlogs for a while, this little mister over here has a nemesis called Hyperspace Mountain, and it's always on this one that he gets a bit green. So we started calling him Granary. So we even have a little Granary spot over here next to Hyperspace Mountain where we drink a cola. We're so used to it now. And when he drinks a cola and he sits down for 10 minutes, he's absolutely fine. But it's just those first 10 minutes that he just goes, you know what, let's just eat first and then we'll make a decision, okay? Yeah. Good plan. Are you enjoying classic Mickey? Cool, huh?
Disney was very so good.
Yeah. So much fun. We're just having some lunch. Burger with some fries. Some chicken nuggies. Like Mr. Morrow would say. Huh? Chicken nuggies. Nice? Good stuff? Good soup. Okay. Yeah, that's what we're doing. We're flagging. Let's just say it that way. We're definitely flagging. We're ready to go home. Oh my goodness. It's 2 o'clock. So we've got 2 hours.
Dream and Shine Brighter in 25 minutes.
Oh, yes. That we need to see. Definitely. YouTube. Hi.
It's getting very hot.
And I'm at the end of my tether here, I think. I'm getting there.
You're finally getting unrelated by me.
He did go to sleep every night, like at 7. And I stayed up.
I needed the sleep.
I stayed up every night till 1 o'clock in the morning, so
That
we're there. Anyway, we're going to do Big Thunder one last time. And then we're going to go and to do Dream and Shine Brighter. We thought Dream and Shine Brighter was at 20 past 2, but it's actually at 5 to 3. So we're gonna go and see it.
Great, I want to see it one more.
We're gonna do it. So yeah.
Tell
But
us
Mummy,
in the comments what your favorite parade is.
yeah, let us know. Mummy is finally getting there. I think I might actually have a sleep in the Uber when we're going back to the station. I think it's going to happen. I'm shattered now.
Fun? I had loads of fun.
Yeah? What did we do?
We went on Big Thunder Mountain. Shit. Rude! Hey, that's a bit rude. That is very rude. That is very rude. It just honked at us, whatever it was. But yeah, that was
Molly Brown.
That was the last Big Thunder Mountain of the trip. We did it so many times, didn't we, Mama?
Oh, I did it twice yesterday as well.
Yeah.
I actually filmed it, so it'll be in the vlog before this one.
Yeah.
We're doing a little sortie. We're going. The last of the sorties. No, we're going to go and get a candy floss now, and then we'll go to the hotel. But let's see if we can get out of here first. We're in the Red Garter Saloon and it just opened. It opens at, where am I? It opens at 4, so we were just in time basically. We came here at 4:45. It was perfect. So we can sit here for an hour, contemplate our holiday and you know, mentally start getting ready again to go home. Oh, wow. At least I got another cocktail in, so that's important. Hi everyone. How are you?
I'm good. I'm tired though. It's a very hot day, I have to say.
We came back to the Cheyenne. We picked up our bags and we had one final drink in the Red Garter Saloon, which was our first drink there as well, because we didn't go there before. But it's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it is actually quite nice.
It opens at 4, so for you guys who want to go, 4 o'clock is the time to be. And even though we are very tired at the moment, let's recap our 4 days, right? So what are your top 5 favorite rides of Disneyland Paris?
My top 5 favorite rides of Disneyland Paris. I would say 5 is Hollywood Tower Hotel.
Yeah.
4 Big Thunder.
Yeah.
3 I have to say, I know it's like a surprise, the Slinky Zigzag. Well, it's just so much fun.
Yeah.
And I was like laughing like 5 minutes after that. Number 2, I would say Crush Coaster, definitely. It's an amazing ride. And number 1, you'll probably know, but I love Flight Force.
Yeah.
Number 1 has to be Flight Force.
I think, hang on, ooh, it's hard. It's
Loading.
I'll go from 1 to 5, I think. I think my favorite one is Big Thunder.
Yeah.
Because I've done Big Thunder more than you, and
Yeah.
I actually did it twice last night, and it was fantastic. Then Crush Coaster, number 2.
Yeah.
I think 3...
Lighthouse?
No, there's going to be Space Mountain. That's the
Okay.
Granary ride, Green Henry.
Yeah.
And then number 4 will be Tower of Terror, and 5 will be Flight Force. Although I do like Tower of Terror a lot. It's probably on par with, yeah, with Spice Mountain. Yeah, but they're good rides. And then obviously I have to give some special mentions to Pirates of the Caribbean.
Yeah, I have to give an honorable mention to Hyperspace Mountain as well.
The Granary ride. And then Indiana Jones, and we've only done Indiana Jones once because it is a bone shaker and my bones are rattled. We've done a lot of miles. Oh, I am tired. I need a holiday for my holiday, honestly. But let's come and sit together because we have a little announcement to make.
Yes, we do.
And it's a shame that Papa Moose isn't here because it's his announcement as well. But he'll be here in our thoughts and in your thoughts, hopefully.
Hopefully, yeah.
So, from today, we're doing a new countdown. Well, we have been doing the countdown for a while, but this holiday came in between. This is not our last Disney trip. Because this was basically the amuse-bouche, the little, not even the bread service of our Disney trips this year. Because
exactly in 105 days.
Exactly 15 weeks today.
Yeah, we are going on a cruise from Southampton to New York City.
We are going to do the westbound transatlantic cruise from Southampton to New York. And we're going to stop in Spain, in Vigo. We're going to stop in Lisbon, in Portugal. Pardon me, bubbles. And we're going to stop in Bermuda before we arrive in New York. But then, that's only the starter.
Yep.
That's only the starter of our Disney.
Prawn cocktail of our
That's the prawn cocktail of our trip. Because Henry, what are we doing after New York?
After New York, we are taking a flight directly from New York to Orlando Airport. And also, Brandon Moose is coming with us on the cruise, on the plane.
Yeah, but he's not.
Going to Orlando, having a car through, going all the way to a nice Airbnb in, what's it called? Emerald
Resort, something.
Yep, we are.
So I'll explain it properly. So we're staying for a whole day in New York. So basically 2 days, but it's only one night. And then we take a flight. We're going to Orlando, and then we're staying in Orlando for the grand total amount of 35 days. We're going to stay over a month in a villa in a very nice resort, and on top of that,
What Disney resort are we staying in, Mama?
we're staying for a whole week in the Grand Floridian Resort, which is Daddy Moose's, Papa Moose's birthday present from me.
The Grand Flow.
We're going to the Grand Flow, baby. So this trip was really just the beginning. In September, we're off on a very, very big trip. Slightly panicking because we still have a lot to do, including work, to finance the whole lot. But we're getting there, And yeah, we are going to take you guys with us this time. We are going to vlog the entire 12 days, 11 nights on the cruise. We'll vlog everything properly. We are going to vlog New York, we're going to vlog our time in Orlando. We're going to do it all.
Just a heads up, I will probably not be in many of the vlogs on the 13 days.
12 days, but yeah.
Yeah.
Why not?
Because in the cruise there are these areas meant for like teenagers, like 13 to 16. And because the embarkation day is actually on my birthday.
It is.
So I will turn 13, so I will be allowed to go in those. So I will literally just be spending most of my day from like 9 to 6 there, something like that.
But you'll find us in the adult only versions, don't worry. So yeah, I hope you liked this vlog series, which was June of 2023 for my birthday. I am now 44 years old. Oh dear. But I did well, I think. So I need to start planning my birthday next year, because I do want to do a cruise as well.
Birthday.
My birthday. Anyway, if you enjoyed this vlog series, please like and subscribe to this vlog and click the notification bell so that you get notified by YouTube when we post again. It will be a while before we post again, I think. Yeah. I did make a lot of shorts, so I'll be uploading as and when through the summer holidays. But for now, it's over and out. Mooses have been on the move, but they are now going home.
Yep.
See you later. Bye.